Yeah, but there's one maybe on a long final. I heard last time somebody
Sky Manor traffic, Skyhawk 72 Romeo in left downwind runway 25, Sky Manor.
Skyhawk is 3 miles to the northeast on long final, behind the other Skyhawk on downwind.
Miles.
Okay. Alrighty, so we're heading out to the Poconos. Never been there before, so should be fun. Oh, brother.
One is on the long final and then the other one's going to be behind. So you have to have an eagle eye, man.
Yeah.
To keep an eye on these freaking airplanes.
Okay, you have to take off flight heading 27 until 1300 MSL. Alright, for noise abatement. Sounds good.
Are you going to do short field takeoff or are you just going to...
I'll do normal.
Alright, normal, okay.
Hey, Sky Manor traffic. Skyhawk's taking the active 2-5. Sky Manor traffic.
Sky Manor traffic, White Cessna now joining the downwind for landing 2-5, Sky Manor.
Yep.
Let's speed alive.
Sky Manor traffic, White Cessna turning base 2-5, Sky Manor.
Sky Manor traffic, Skyhawk departing runway 25, Sky Manor.
There's a deer on the end of the runway there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, two of them.
Yeah.
I see them.
See that?
The little ones.
Yeah. Nice. Sky Manor traffic. Skyhawk is heading out to the northwest. Sky Manor traffic. What's that look? I can't read it.
1200.
Okay, good.
Alexandria.
So we just left Sky Manor for a quick brunch, I would say.
I'd say it's a brunch, yeah.
It was a nice brunch.
Damn good brunch, too.
Oh yeah, it was built good.
It was.
So now we're heading to the Poconos. Quick short flight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. And you can see here, I'll show you right here on my board fly which way we're heading. So we're roughly at about 3,500 feet. We got some broken clouds at 4,000, so we're going to keep it at 3,500 feet.
So we're crossing over the gap, I guess, right?
True. Some kind of a
Power plant.
power plant,
Yeah.
like nuclear power plant. And the CTAF, it's over there, is 1227.
What is it?
1227.
Yeah, a little hazy here, boy, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Pocono Mountains Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1708 Zulu. Wind 230 at 08. Visibility 10. Sky condition few 3,200. Overcast 4,900. Temperature 18 Celsius. Dew point 11 Celsius. Altimeter 3012. Remarks. Density altitude 2,500.
It's either 2-3, and the other one is 13.
No, 2-3 it is.
So 2-3 it is. Copy that.
Pocono traffic, Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel. 10 miles to the southeast, inbound for runway 23, Poconos. Traffic, Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel. 6 miles to the southeast, inbound for runway 23, Pocono. Pocono traffic, Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel. 4 miles to the southeast, We'll join the 45 left downwind for runway 23, Poconos. Pocono traffic, Skyhawk 150, Hotel, and pattern left downwind for runway 23, Poconos.
Queen City, Diamond
8. Pocono traffic, Skyhawk 150, Hotel, turning base for runway 23, Poconos. Pocono traffic, Skyhawk 150, Tango Hotel, turning final for runway 23, Poconos. Pocono traffic, Skyhawk 150, Tango Hotel, 1 mile final, runway 23, Pocono traffic.
No pressure.
Nope, no pressure. Well, that was better. That felt better.
Pocono traffic, Skyhawk 150 Tango Hotel. We'll do a back taxi.
Pocono traffic.
Wow.
I'm opening the window. Oh, yeah.
That was there.
All right, we just landed at Mount Poconos.
And Pocono traffic, Skyhawk is clear of the active 25, Pocono traffic.
This is fine. I mean, just swing it around and then we'll push it back. Should be within limits. So this is Pocono in the middle of nowhere in Pennsylvania.
150 Tango Hotel, you got a copy?
Yes, we do.
If you could just take that to the grass side in front of the fuel truck, I have a citation coming in about 10.
Sure, no problem. We'll go behind the fuel truck or right by it?
Right to its nose is fine, thank you.
Cool.
Okay, so we landed in Poconos Mountain Airport and just gonna take a little break and then fly back to Morristown. Little aviation day today. Yeah, I know, just take it easy.
Then you have to reschedule like Pontian.
That was off the script.